How you doing? My name's Will at Lasco Ford. I want to thank you for your inquiry on the 2004 Chevy Avalanche Z71. Very clean truck. Got the 5.3 liter V8 Vortec engine. Very clean under the hood. This truck has 101,000 miles on it. Tire tread is about 75%. It does have the turning signal in the mirror. I don't know if you can see it there. It's got the premium sound, the Bose premium sound. It's got the leather and cloth combo in the seats. It's got the moon roof. It's got the rear stereo controls, leather seats. The seats do fold down. The window does come out, and it does open up into a large truck bed. There's the bed that does fold down and gives you optimal back space. It does have the tow package. It is a Z71, so it does have the off-road suspension. Again, the back seat's very clean. Tinted windows in the rear for privacy. This does have a trailer brake control. It does have the pedal. It moves the pedals forward and back. Again, it does have the Bose premium sound system. This vehicle has 101,000 miles, 993. Very beautiful truck. Garage door opener, OnStar, dual climate control. There you go. There's the 2004 Chevy Avalanche Z71.